Hi everyone, today we are doing Module 7, Measurement and Data. This is Lesson 9. So turn to page 39 and follow along to take notes. Here's some review of area. That is the number of square units that a figure covers. So remember, when we talk about this, the square unit here is 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. So this is the square. It makes a square unit. Here, it is a 4 square unit because we have a 2 by 2. Here, same again, 3 by 3, so 3 times 3 is 9. Here, 4 times 4 is 16, so that's how many squares are covering the area. All right, so as some review, 8 times 7, hold that in your head, what is it? 56. 13 times 7, if you want to pause and try it yourself on your paper and then check your answer, that'd be a good idea. So you do 7 times 3 is 21. You put the 1 down there, carry the 2. Then you do 7 times 1 is 7, plus the 2 is 9, so 91. All right, number 3, area equals the length times the width. So just like we reviewed before, so we would do 7 times 5. So we would write 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. And since we're doing area, it's a little squares, so it's square feet. Here, again, okay, so we have a square here. We can see we have all the sides are the same. They have that one little line. They have 4 right angles on that shape. So that means that if this side is 5, then this side is 5. So length times width is 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25 square feet. This says find the difference in areas of the rectangle and the blue square. Difference means one of them is more than the other. We can see that the white rectangle is bigger than the blue square. So the area of the rectangle, that is 10 by 7. So length is 10. 7 is width, 10 times 7 is 70 square centimeters. The area of the square is 5 by 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So to find the difference, we would subtract 70 minus 25, and then we would then you can write it out if you need to. We need to borrow from there, make this a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. So 70 minus 25 is 45 square centimeters. So that means that the difference, the area of the rectangle, is 45 square centimeters bigger than the square. All right, this says find the area of each rectangle or square. So here we have number 5 is a square because it has the same 8 meters by 8 meters. So length times width, 8 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. And then here we have a rectangle again, length times width, 10 times 3. 10 times 3 is 30. And then notice it didn't give us our units here, but we would write square feet. Or you could write it like this, 30 feet squared. Either way is fine. So find the area of a rectangle or square. It says you're going to use the formula area equals length times width. So you write length times width. You find the area. Length is 10. Width is 7. 10 times 7 is 70. So 70 square inches. So then record the area in square units. And it just says units because sometimes it's inches, sometimes it's feet, sometimes it's centimeters. So you have to put the correct unit of measure. All right, you're going to try and complete page 41 on your own. Make sure to ask for help. Good luck.